Have you ever wondered if cities can truly disappear under the sea? Today I'll take you on a journey to discover the mesmerizing story of Kekova, Turkey's very own sunken city, lost beneath the gentle waves of the Mediterranean. Kekova is a small, beautiful island off the southwestern coast of Turkey. But what makes it truly special is what lies beneath the sparkling blue waters, the remains of an ancient, forgotten civilization. Nestled between the towns of Kos and Demre in the Antalya province, Kekova is surrounded by stunning turquoise waters. It's a paradise both above and below the sea. The city wasn't swallowed by one sudden disaster. Over centuries, a series of powerful earthquakes caused parts of the ancient settlement to sink into the sea, leaving streets, houses, and staircases half submerged and frozen in time. Kekova belonged to the Lycians, a proud and mysterious people who lived here over 2,000 years ago. Known for their magnificent tombs, temples, and bustling ports, many of their creations now lie underwater. Today, visitors can still see stone foundations, broken walls, and even doorways below the waterline. In some places, ancient stairways lead eerily down into the deep blue, as if inviting lost souls back home. Imagine homes where families once lived, now only silent ruins under the waves. Stairways, cisterns, and mooring posts still peek through the clear Mediterranean waters, telling stories of a vibrant, vanished community. Nowadays, Kekova is uninhabited. It's a peaceful place where the only sounds are the splash of water and the whisper of ancient winds. The island itself is a protected archaeological site, preserving its delicate history. In the 1990s, Turkey declared Kekova a protected area to prevent damage from tourism and looting. Now, visitors can only view the underwater ruins from boats, ensuring that this fragile heritage is safeguarded for future generations. Boat tours from Kos or Ukajis are the best way to explore Kekova. Glass-bottom boats offer a magical view of the submerged ruins without disturbing them. You can also kayak over the ancient streets, floating right above history itself. Kekova remains a place of wonder, a bridge between land and sea, between past and present. It reminds us that no civilization, however powerful, is immune to the forces of nature. Beneath the shimmering waves, the ancient city still whispers its timeless story to all who come close enough to listen. Kekova, a place where history sleeps beneath the waves, waiting for dreamers to discover its silent, sunken beauty.